Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to add your name to the bottom of emails in Outlook. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, open your Microsoft Outlook app and log into your account. This will load all your emails and give you access to the composition tools you'll need for setting up your signature. Once your emails have loaded, you'll want to access the email composition tools. Look at the top left part of your screen and click on the New Email button. This opens up the email composition window where you can create messages and configure various settings, including your signature. Now, from the email composition screen, direct your attention to the top part of the email composition menu. You'll notice a signature drop-down option there. Click on it and a menu with additional options will appear. From this list, select Signatures. This will open a dedicated signature creation window where you can create and manage all your email signatures. In the signature creation window, you'll see a New button. Click on it to create a fresh signature. A small window labeled New Signature will pop up, prompting you to enter a name for this signature. This name is just for your reference, so you can identify different signatures if you create multiple ones. Type in a name that makes sense to you, like work signature or professional, then click OK to proceed. After clicking OK, you'll be taken back to the main signature window, and now you'll see an editing field below where you can design your signature. This is where you'll enter your name and any other information you want to appear at the bottom of your emails. You can include your full name, job title, phone number, company name, or even links to your website or social media. Format it however you like to make it look professional and complete. Once you've entered all the information you want in your signature, click the Save button. This locks in your signature and makes it ready to use. What's great about this is that Outlook will now automatically add this signature to the bottom of all your new emails, saving you time and ensuring consistency across all your messages. And that's it. You've successfully set up your name and signature to appear at the bottom of every email you send in Outlook. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.